When buying a car, most people focus on style, features, and price. But the factor that really decides how expensive your ownership experience will be is reliability. A car that constantly breaks down, needs expensive repairs, or spends too much time in the workshop can quickly turn a good deal into a financial headache. In 2026, several major car brands continue to struggle with long-term dependability. While some manufacturers have improved over time, others still appear repeatedly in reliability complaints, owner surveys, and industry studies. In this video, we're counting down the car brands that have the worst reliability records in 2026. Today we will talk about the car brands with the worst reliability records in 2026. So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo is widely recognized for its emotional Italian design, sporty character, and engaging driving experience. The brand focuses heavily on performance and styling, producing cars that feel unique and exciting compared to mainstream competitors. However, when it comes to long-term reliability, Alfa Romeo has historically struggled. Many owners report recurring issues related to electrical systems, sensors, infotainment glitches, and occasional build quality inconsistencies. 9. Land Rover. Land Rover is a brand strongly associated with luxury SUVs, premium comfort, and exceptional off-road capability. Vehicles like the Range Rover and Discovery offer a high-end driving experience that combines elegance with rugged performance. However, this luxury and complexity often come at a cost. Over the years, Land Rover has developed a reputation for frequent mechanical and electrical issues. Common problems include air suspension failures, electronic system malfunctions, infotainment bugs, and expensive drivetrain repairs. Even routine maintenance can be significantly more costly than average, especially as the vehicle ages. 8. Jeep. Jeep is one of the most iconic SUV brands in the world, known for its off-road capability and rugged design. Models like the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee have strong enthusiast followings and are built for adventure and tough terrain. However, reliability across the Jeep lineup has been inconsistent. Some models perform reasonably well, while others are known for issues involving electrical systems, transmission behavior, suspension components, and engine reliability. In addition, various recalls and software-related problems have impacted consumer confidence in certain model years. One of Jeep's greatest strengths is its off-road performance. Many Jeep models are engineered with features such as four-wheel drive systems, high ground clearance, skid plates, and specialized suspension setups that allow them to perform exceptionally well on trails, rocky terrain, mud, and other challenging environments. This capability has helped establish Jeep as a leader in the off-road SUV segment. 7. Fiat. Fiat offers compact, stylish, and affordable vehicles that are popular in urban environments. Cars like the Fiat 500 are designed for efficiency, ease of parking, and city driving convenience. However, when it comes to durability and long-term reliability, Fiat has often received mixed reviews. Owners frequently report issues with electrical systems, transmission performance, and general mechanical wear as the vehicles accumulate mileage. 6. Dodge. Dodge is well known for powerful engines, bold styling, and performance-oriented vehicles like the Charger and Challenger. The brand focuses heavily on horsepower and driving excitement, which makes its cars appealing to enthusiasts. However, this performance-first approach can sometimes impact long-term durability. 5. Chrysler. Chrysler has struggled in recent years to maintain a strong reliability reputation in the automotive market. While some models offer comfortable interiors, smooth rides, and attractive pricing, long-term ownership concerns have affected the brand's image. Owners have reported recurring issues involving electronics, infotainment systems, transmission behavior, and overall build consistency. As vehicles age, the frequency of repairs tends to increase, which can lead to higher ownership costs than initially expected. 4. Nissan certain model. Nissan remains a widely popular brand globally, offering affordable and practical vehicles across multiple segments. However, certain models, especially those equipped with continuously variable transmissions, CVT, have faced long-term reliability concerns. Common issues reported by owners include transmission hesitation, shuddering, overheating, and in some cases, premature transmission failure. While not every Nissan model is problematic, specific generations have created caution among used car buyers and mechanics alike. 3. Chevrolet. Chevrolet offers one of the most diverse vehicle lineups in the automotive industry, ranging from compact cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. While some Chevrolet models perform very well, overall reliability can vary significantly depending on the vehicle. Certain models have experienced issues with electronics, transmission systems, and engine components, especially as mileage increases, however. When it comes to reliability, Chevrolet's performance can vary considerably across its lineup. Some models have established solid reputations for durability and long-term dependability, while others have experienced more frequent mechanical or electronic issues. As a result, reliability often depends heavily on the specific model, engine configuration, and model year being considered. While the brand offers many capable and appealing vehicles, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of a specific model can help ensure a more satisfying and cost-effective ownership experience. 2. GMC. GMC shares many of its platforms and engineering with General Motors vehicles, and as a result, it often experiences similar reliability patterns. GMC is known for its trucks and SUVs that offer strong performance, towing capability, and premium styling compared to Chevrolet counterparts. However, long-term ownership can sometimes be affected by electrical issues, sensor problems, and costly repair requirements. 1. Jaguar. Jaguar is often associated with luxury, elegance, and high-performance driving dynamics. The brand produces vehicles with stunning design, premium interiors, and strong road presence. However, Jaguar has long struggled with long-term reliability concerns in the automotive industry. Many owners report frequent electronic issues, software glitches, and occasional mechanical problems that can be expensive to repair. Additionally, depreciation is often steep, meaning resale value drops significantly compared to more reliable competitors. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.